Nope, I don't think so. No, what am I doing?
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is from Amazon. Yes, so I've been looking for a tripod. I don't know how you can see this. A very lightweight tripod so that it'll be easier to travel. It wouldn't be so heavy. So I found this in Amazon. And of course, you know me, I'm a kuripotita. So I'm just looking for something cheap but still, you know, durable. So I just saw an unboxing of this tripod. There's just one video. I don't know if it's the exact one. So here it is. Although there's other things in here. I'm also gonna do an unboxing of this one, but for now I'm gonna do the tripod. So it's this one. So this is the Promate Precise 155. So let's do this. I have done an intensive research for travel tripods, and there are a lot of options, but some are really expensive, and there are others, they're not expensive, but they look like they will not last. So this one, I think this is the perfect one. And it's very small. It's once it's compressed to its smallest size, it's actually just a 30, it's here. It's 32 centimeters when it's folded, so it can fit to your backpack or your carry-on bag. And I'm actually planning to make this as like a monopod, so I don't have to switch to holding it as a monopod when I'm vlogging, or you know, when I'm walking and vlogging, and then do some pictures. So I'll just have to attach the camera as a monopod, and then when I want to take pictures, then I'll just extend the leg so that it serves as a tripod. So this is it. So it comes in a very nice looking bag, and it's padded. It's very thick. It's a bit heavy. So here it is. It says 1 point something kg. So it is, I mean, like, it's okay. For something that is durable, I think ito na yung pinakamagaan. So it looks like this. Hindi siya kaliit. And there's a rubber grip on the 3 legs. And let's just see what it is. They have extra do they call this? Allen wrench to tighten the parts, I think, and an instructional manual. And it also comes with a bag and with this one, so you can attach it to your backpack. Yeah, so that's it. So we will spread this out. So I choose the one with the ball headed instead of the lever that you need to adjust. I don't know. I don't know what that calls. I'll just show a picture. So how do you do this? I think this is upside down. Okay, so you do this. So really, this is the first time that I'll be seeing this product. So it's like this. I don't know what this is for. And there is a lever. I think this is the one if you're going to adjust and lock the legs. Okay, that is not super smooth. You have to like push it. It's not effortless. You have to push it hard, and then you just okay. Okay, so when you do this, so you need to press this. It is hard to lock the legs, and then when you just position it to another angle, you can just like do so, and then press it again to lock this angle. Okay, and then that's it. Moving on. And I think this knob here is for this part. You can pull it down. This can go low, but you will have to then you can place your camera here so you can get a very low shot. So I've also seen this. This is very uncomfortable unboxing. I don't know how they do it. Like, some are doing an unboxing. It's as if they have seen the product in person already. Okay, so it's like this. And me, this is just like a puzzle. Okay, but all in all, it feels sturdy. It's like, you know, everything is solid, and I think it will do the job. So far the only like my issue or downside is this little locking mechanism. It's really hard. You really have to like push it hard, pull it hard for the lock. I don't know if by time when you push and pull and push and pull, it will just loosen up, and then it will be easier for you to lock the legs. And I think there's one more thing. This can be a monopod. And this leg can be used separately as like, you know, monopod. Yeah, you unscrew this one so you can use the panning movement, and then you lock this one so you can, the panning movement will be locked, but then you can now remove the whole ball head part. OMG. So you can detach this one, and then you can attach it to the monopod so you can use it as a monopod. Okay, now that's how I figure out things. This is a very long unboxing, I know. But as you can see, this is a real unboxing. It's for the first time I have seen this product. And I'm not pretending that I know this. Locked in place. So that's it. And then we'll attach again the other leg. Okay, that's it guys for this unboxing. Maybe I'll just put some clips on. It's fully extended and a camera is attached to it, and see if this works, if this will hold on to a very windy day. I don't, yeah, we have a windy day this past few days, but I don't know when I'm going to film it. But yes, that's it. If you have other questions regarding this product, leave them in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.